Hello, creative friends. This is Joy coming to you with another art journal page in my Dino Weekly Media Journal. And this is a Dino Weekly Media Collage collection that I got this picture of this face out of. And this is for the yearly challenge that Dino Weekly is putting on for I Am Grateful For. And this is for the May challenge, which is I am grateful for stillness. I am behind, and so I'm just trying to play catch up with the pages because I really wanted to do this. She put out a challenge one in every month, and you think one a month would be easy to do, but as mentioned in some of my previous last two videos, I've kind of been out of the art room for a while for the most part due to some health issues, but now I'm trying to, things are looking up and I'm trying to get back into it and trying to play catch up. And this is one of the things I wanted to catch up on. So I used some Dino Wakley green paint to put around this page because it closely matched this picture. And then as you see here, I'm using a stencil and a baby wipe to kind of take some of that up to add like a pattern to this page. And I wasn't sure when I started what I was going to do here. I kept thinking about stillness, and when I was looking for, what image I wanted to add on this page, I found this face in the Diana Wakely collage collection that I showed you that just to me kind of looks like, the person or the face is kind of contemplating and, you know, um, kind of, just reflecting. And so I wanted this page to be kind of like not real busy or whatever. I wanted it to be kind of soft and represent that, stillness and self-reflection and that kind of thing. So then I decided again to keep the page from getting too crazy and, busy, to use the same stencil with a little bit of this gray blue Dino Wakley paint and add some of these dots on here through the same stencil just to add a little bit of variation or variety to the page. So that's what I'm doing here. And I really do like the way the page ended up turning out. I was really happy with it in the end. It was a little bit of a challenge to get back into doing this since, I've done a little bit of art journaling because I did sign up for the Book of Days this year. And even though I'm behind on that as well, I've done a little bit with that. So I'm not been completely out of the art room since, January or whenever I started having, the health problems. But I haven't been doing a lot. And so, like I said, now I'm just trying to get back into it and get caught up, and thought I do record at least this journal page so I can get it posted out there since I haven't really posted much for a while. And so I actually ended up doing the one for June and getting that posted to do the one for this month since this month is almost over. So I'm doing this actually at the end of June, and then I went back and did the one for April, which I posted, and then now this one actually is for May. And here I got this tag and put it on here with a silver pen. I am grateful for stillness, and then decided to do like a little doodle at the bottom, and I thought this black tag would go good on this page. And so I decided to do that. And then I have this this is like stamped on tissue paper from Dinah Wakley that I thought would go good with this page as well. talking about stillness, and I was not sure how to arrange it. I knew for sure on the right or the left side that's what I wanted, but on the right side, I wasn't sure, do I want to keep these together and stick them all down like that? Here's some matte medium I used to stick it down, and it's really nice because when you put these down, it's like the tissue paper kind of disappears into the background. And you could do this yourself on tissue paper. Stamp anything on tissue paper or deli paper and then stick it down and it'll kind of disappear. But I was like, how do I arrange this? Do I want to keep them together? Do I want to cut them apart? I wasn't sure. And in the end, I decided just to cut them apart, that I wanted to kind of spread them out a little bit around the page. Um, so, yeah, I guess it's just personal preference. So that's what I'm doing here, cutting them apart and then figuring out how to arrange these on the page. And then when I get it in the arrangement that I'm happy with, then I went ahead and started sticking them down with the matte medium. So, like I said, I really like the way this page turned out. I was really happy with it in the end, and it felt good to get back in the art room and start doing some creative stuff again. And I'm starting to feel better, even though I'm still in therapy. Things are, I'm still in a little bit of pain. For the most part, it's getting much better. So it's nice to start feeling energetic enough and to be creative again. So yeah, just putting those down, like I said, with the matte medium, and then I grabbed the Elmer's Craft glue dots for the tag, because they work great for adhering heavy things to your journal pages, and they will stick. They will not come up. So I put that down on the page. And that's pretty much the art journal page for today. I thank you guys for stopping by and watching, and this is the little collage words. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks for stopping. Bye-bye.